Right guys, so we have some new updates to ePhoto. Check this out. Game changing edition. Let's get into this video. So I'm going to start by showing you these images here we've got on the screen. A few just to try this new feature out on different scenarios that you might come across in the studio. But I will just show you first of all that these, they're not fake or anything. This was shot in a really small studio. As you can see here, we've got all the the softbox and everything. It was small, and these were a succession of images. This was one of the ones I wanted to get, but again, as you can see, limited for space. Bit of a pain really, but this software add-on has really been a game changer. Okay, so as you can see here, we've got it as shot. We're going to head into the background adjustments, and then we've got the distractions removal tool here. Just switch that on and it's gone. Before, after. I mean, how good's that? Okay, we'll just go ahead and try it on this image as well. Everything I click on, it's doing this in seconds. Boom, boom, boom. Now I've noticed it, on some of them it doesn't do a perfect job, but we can fix that later on, as I will show you. Okay, so we've got the softbox there, gone again. Softboxes on show. If I click on it, there we go. Gone again. Pink background, doesn't matter what you're using. There we go, fixed. Again, this is just, we can do this in Photoshop, but it does take time, and the AI feature of Photoshop doesn't do a good job of fixing. Okay, so distractions, has it done it? Yep. For some reason it's missing that one. Not a big issue. We can do a removal with the heal tool there. It's done. Again, we're not taking a lot of time doing any of these. This one, so we've got something here, top of the softbox once again. It's gone in seconds. We've got one here, top of the ceiling, softbox, etc. All in show. It's gone. I mean, how cool is that? Are you impressed? I am, definitely. It's a definite win. So you might get a few inconsistencies in the background color, as I will show you on this image here. What I do is I will select a similar backdrop from the selections we have here, which will be the black one, and then I would just add the opacity until I'm happy, just something around there. We don't want to go too far and make it look stupid, but I can bring it up to around about the 50% mark to just finish off that image, and then we could do the final crop as well. Let's go to 4.5, and we're going to be left with a clean shot, apart from the tape on the floor, which is going to be a 2-second fix as well. We're done. That's as simple as that. It's a definite win for ePhoto once again with this addition they've had. Now there is still some issues with some of the other things they've added recently. Again, hasn't been addressed, but what can you do? You can just rant about them and see if they fix them in the future. But yeah, don't forget guys, if you are looking to try this software, use the link below. You get 30 credits to try it out, and then if you do go and purchase it, I will get a little kickback as well. So much appreciated if you use my link to purchase this software. Right, we'll see you in the next video, which is going to be the one about the iPad version, and that's coming up hopefully tomorrow.